Hello everyone, I'm Chima Ozuchukwu and I'm adjunct faculty over here at ARCC and I teach anatomy and physiology at the Cambridge campus. If you teach online and you have minimal interactions with your students, an intro video might be something to consider. If you are interested in this, take a listen at one I just made. Hello, my name is Chima, and I'm going to be the instructor for this class Bio 2113 A and P1 this fall. Please go over the syllabus on D2L and feel free to hop on my Zoom office hours if you have any questions. Welcome again to this class. If you enjoyed my intro video and would like to make one like that, follow these steps. Step 1 would be recording the actual introduction, and you can do this with your phone. You basically want to record that introduction stating your name, what you teach, and information you think would be pertinent to your students knowing you better as a professor or as a person. So for the second step, you want to make a 10 to 20-second intro video like the one I had in my own intro video. And to do this, I use a website called placeit.net. And what you want to do is you want to come to the search bar and search for intro video templates. And once you do this, you have a plethora of templates to work with and edit to your heart's content. And I can pick any one. I choose to pick this one. And once your template loads, you can edit the text as you see fit. You could write welcome to whatever your class is. I'm just going to type welcome to my class. Click done. You can remove text you don't really need. You can actually change the background to one that suits your class. So if you have any images that you think would better suit your class, you can do that. You can add slides if you wanted to relay more information if you want. And once you're done with all that, all you need to do is press play all. And basically what would happen is this would give you a preview of what your final video would look like. Now, once you're done watching the preview and you're satisfied, you can then proceed to download your final file. And you really don't want to pay for anything. You don't need to. The free watermarked version is more than enough for your class. You really don't need to pay for anything. You just want to go ahead and click on get the free watermarked version, and it just downloads and it's available for you. Now the third step would involve some editing, and for editing I use an app called InShot, which you can get on the Apple or Play Store. And to begin editing, you want to select video, you want to select new, and the first step in editing would be merging the two videos you made. So you want to merge the video you made on placeit.net with the video of the actual recording of you describing yourself and what your class looks like. And I'll just do this. This is the video I made on Placeit, and this is the actual recording. And once I've selected those two videos, I just come over here and press the check mark button. And what happens here is those two videos have been merged together in my editing app. Now I can go ahead and add a lot of cool stuff. For example, I could come over here and add some text. I could add my name, which is Chima Uzo, and I could put this anywhere I want. And once I'm done doing that, I just come over here and press the check mark button. I could add various font stickers. I could add this one, I could add this one, depending on what I really want to add there. And once I'm done adding, again, I just press the check mark button and I'm done. I could come over here and add some fun tracks if I wanted to. Just come here, select the track, and once I'm done selecting the track, I just press the check mark button. And I could also change the background to different colors if I wanted to. I could change them to also different patterns if I also wanted to do so. And once I'm done doing that, I just press the check mark button and that's done with. And I could also edit out part of the videos by using the pre-cut tool. If I wanted to, I could cut out some parts of the video, I could trim, I could split, I could do all that fun stuff. And once I'm done editing to my heart's content, all I want to do is go to the very top of the screen and click save. And once you save this, it saves to your phone. If you're using a phone, it saves to your iPad, it saves to your Galaxy Pad. Now, one way of making this video readily available to your students is by having a YouTube channel. And what the good thing about this app is you can actually save this video directly to your YouTube channel, and all you need to do is share that link to your students. If you don't already have a YouTube channel, it might be something you want to look into. It just takes a couple of minutes to create one. Hello, I've enjoyed making this video and I hope you've enjoyed watching this video as well. And I sincerely hope the information provided has been beneficial, especially if you're considering making such a video for your classes in the fall. More especially if you teach asynchronously online and you don't have any contact whatsoever with your students, or minimal contact at best, and you want your students to place a face and a voice to your name. So this is something that I think would really enhance your class as you prepare for your class in the fall. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email and I'll be more than happy to respond to any inquiries or questions. I wish you a lovely fall semester. Bye-bye.